Hello, in front of me I've got REDTIGER F17 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to manage playbacks. In the beginning, let's go to REDTIGER app and go to Playback. Right here you can manage all of your saved videos. You can find videos, snapshot and urgent. If you want to save any video, simply select it and tap Download. If you want to save it to smartphone memory, go to Downloaded menu, in Main menu, select the video and select Save. You can also edit videos. Hello. In front of me I've got REDTIGER F17 Plus. If you want to delete videos, let's go to Playback again. And now you can delete video one by one by pressing the video, pressing delete. Or you can mark multiple videos and simply tapping delete. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.